All right, quiet on the set.
Hi everybody, Robert Jones back with you today to do another installation. Check this out. This is the InstallerParts Fullmotion 30-inch to 70-inch TV wall mount. It has a scissoring action. It can support 110 pounds or 50 kilos. That's quite strong, I think. It has an amazing amount of motion available. It has 60 degrees back and forth, 20 degrees down, and 10 degrees up. Although it looks a bit cumbersome, it's quite easy to install. So let me show you how to do it.
For this install, you're going to need a power drill, a 3/16 or 4.5 millimeter drill bit, a metric socket wrench, some blue tape, a tape measure, a Phillips screwdriver, medium to large, and preferably with a long handle, a pencil, a stud finder. A level is not required, but it can certainly make your TV look better. Be sure to have all these tools gathered and at the ready before you start the installation to ensure your success.
Okay, we're over here at our wall. The first thing we're going to do is to make sure that we don't have any water or electricity or anything like that running through our wall. Hitting one of those with a screw or a drill bit would not be good installation. I just wanted to take a second and say this is for wall stud mounting. There is also instructions for masonry and brick. So if you look in the instructions, you can find out how to do that. For this, you're going to need a stud finder, or if you have a different way to find the studs in your wall, that'll be helpful. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, we have our stud finder here. The way this works is you slide it along, and then it tells you where the edge is there, and it finds out the edge is here, and I've drawn a line down the middle of where the middle of our wood stud is going to be. The next thing we're going to do is we're just going to mark, and I'll show you this with the mount. Okay, you guys, I've got our giant mount here. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna hold this up to the center lines that we drew. We're just gonna use a pencil, and we're gonna draw little X's on the line where we're gonna put our screw holes. Okay, I've got our 3/16 bit here. That's 4.5 millimeters. Now we're gonna drill 2.2 inches or 55 millimeters deep. Okay, we got our 4 holes drilled. We've got our mount. I've got the screw here in my gun, and I'm just gonna put this up here, and we're just gonna put the bolts in the wall. Now, I'm not putting it all the way tight yet. This is a good time to have a friend. All right, number 3 and number 4. Okay, since I'm a little bit of a perfectionist, I'm using a level, putting it on here, making sure my bubbles are in the right place, and then I'm gonna tighten mine down. You can do it by eye if you need to. Look at that, TV wall mount on the wall. This is the bar that goes on the back of your TV. Let's put it on the TV.
Choose the proper screw that fits the holes on your TV and test for depth. If the screw bottoms out, you may need to add a washer or two so they will be tight when putting them through the TV mounting plate. Once you have the correct screws for your TV and have decided if you need spacing washers, place the mounting rails and then the square washers. Insert the screws and screw them lightly. Make sure the rails are straight and then tighten them up tightly.
Okay, you guys, here's our TV with the rails mounted on the back. Now, all you do is drop the rails down onto the bar, and then we're just gonna tighten these screws here, and the whole thing will be secure to the mount. Oh, hello. Yes, check out our TV. This one is very easy to mount, as you can see. Also, look at this. Out, side to side, in. It's got lots of different movement options for your TV. It also can hold TVs larger than this. I'm Robert Jones for InstallerParts. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like. Love to have you subscribe and come on back for more. Goodbye. Arrivederci. Tschüss. Subscribe. Videos. Dancing. Video. Dancing.